Watch Akademiks and check it out. Now, Bobby Shmurda, the finger gun king, a.k.a. Mad Max from Shotas, he's going through pretrial hearing for a bunch of his cases. If you guys don't know, he got a couple of cases. He got one for a shank, one for being caught with the gun in 2014, and then he also got one for actually the whole Quad Studio / conspiracy with his gang to commit all type of crimes, right? So he got to beat him one at a time, and he's been going to court, back and forth, to court, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, because he's trying to get out somehow, but he has a long uphill legal battle. Now, they're going through pretrial motions for a case where he's actually caught with a gun, and basically they're deciding what will be used in court against him and what will not be used in court against him. According to the detective, they said after they locked up Bobby Shmurda because they kicked down a door and they said Bobby Shmurda was stuffing a gun in a couch. They said this nigga was stuffing a gun in a couch like it was a fucking penny. Now, basically, they said Bobby Shmurda looked at them after they arrested him and said, "Dog, no, like, listen, I use my gun for my rap videos. I'm a rapper. Okay, come on, what do you think? I'm not really like using a gun about to kill somebody. It's for like a rap video." Now, that's a statement that will not be admissible in court. The judge tossed that out because that's what the detective testified that Bobby Shmurda said. Either the judge didn't believe it, or there's not enough evidence of him saying it, or it might be just fucking irrelevant to whatever the case is going on about. So they said that will not be used in court. Okay, now this is what will be used in court, because apparently when Bobby Shmurda was talking to the detectives, all right, he basically told him this. He says, "You can't charge me with a loaded gun. Ain't no bullets in this goddamn gun, all right? I know the law. I beat the charges before. I got an attorney for that." Now, the judge is actually allowing that statement, and the detective is testifying that that's what Bobby Shmurda said to them. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to go. Again, this is not the big case that he got to worry about. Regardless, Bobby Shmurda has stayed in jail for a year and a half. What's going to end up happening, even if he gets found guilty on this case, he's probably going to serve it concurrently with whatever he gets sentenced in the big case. You know what I mean? So if he gets like 8 years or 10 years, and he gets like 3 years on a lesser charge or a lesser offense, like, of course, a separate gun case, he's most likely just going to serve it concurrently, which means if the big case gives him 25 or gives him 10, he'll just stay 10. He won't say 10 and an extra 3 or whatever the case is. I hope you guys, listen, you guys might be confused by this shit. Believe me, I am too. Pray for Bobby. Pray for Bobby. It's fucked up. I don't know what to say. Get in the comment box. Make sure you guys like, definitely subscribe. His lawyers have reached out to me before. They said, listen, he has different lawyers for all of his cases, and they are working hard, at least on the case they're on, to make sure he gets out of jail. All right? Good luck to Bobby Shmurda. I know a lot of you guys probably be like, who is this guy? But yeah, remember he had that one hit, hot nigga? Let me know. Get in the comment box. Make sure you guys like, definitely subscribe to Akademiks. How about